Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can change device sleep time. So at the first we have to go for the settings. When you are here we have to scroll down to the device preferences, then scroll down all the way down and pick screensaver. Here you can find this option, put device to sleep, so enter. If you want to set it up, for example, for 30 minutes, just pick it like that. You can also set 1 hour, 3, 6 or 12 hours. You can also turn it off to not put your device to sleep, but I can recommend you to go for 1 hour of inactivity to save some energy. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.